What's the meaning of Coventry? Coventry. Coventry.
Coventry. Coventry. Coventry is a city in central England, located in the West Midlands region. The name Coventry comes from the Anglo-Saxon words coven and trio, which mean coven or meeting place in tree. Coventry has a rich history, dating back to the 11th century, and is known for its medieval architecture, including the ruined Coventry Cathedral. The city was heavily bombed during World War II, but has since been rebuilt as a modern metropolis with a thriving economy and cultural scene. Today, Coventry is home to over 300,000 people and is an important hub for transportation, manufacturing, and research.